In today's video, I'll be talking about 3 ways you can make money in dollars from Nigeria. As you know that Nigeria's currency, which is the naira, is weak to the dollar. Earning $200 per month at the exchange rate of 600 naira to $1 will give you 120,000 naira at the end of the month. With these 3 ways I am about to show you in this video, you can even make more than $200 monthly. Now, without further ado, let us go into the video. Hello guys, my name is Sam, and what I do on this channel is that I review digital tools, that is applications and websites which are capable to make you money online. So if this is what you like to see, I would advise that you like and you subscribe to this channel so that you can get to see more of my videos whenever I drop them. With that being said, let us dive right straight into the video. The first way I'll be telling you about in this video is content writing. Content writing has proven to be one of the ways to make money in dollars in Nigeria. There are platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Work per Hour, which will help you get a gig once you create an account with this platform. However, new users of this website who just create an account find it challenging to get their first gig. So there is another way if this platform does not work for you. Platforms like Web Novel, Good Novel, Dream will pay you monthly for writing fictional books on their website. They pay you in dollars to your Nigerian bank account or domiciliary account. There is no limit to how much you can earn on this website. If you are interested in this, check my video description for link to these websites. The second way you can earn dollars in Nigeria is through affiliate marketing. I am sure you must have been hearing about affiliate marketing. This is just the art of selling someone else's products for them and you earn your commission. Global platforms like JVZoo, Warrior Plus will pay you in dollars either to your Payoneer account or to your Nigerian bank account. The easiest way to sell an affiliate product is by creating a YouTube channel, selling on Twitter or Facebook or LinkedIn. Before I go on, I must note that I am not a financial expert. I am just someone sharing his own personal experience of earning dollars in Nigeria. So make sure you make your own research about this before you decide to begin with them. The third way to earn dollars in Nigeria is through Forex Trading. Forex Trading is a very good way to make dollars in Nigeria. However, to trade Forex, you have to go under training. But what if you already have a job and you can't trade Forex yourself? If this is you, then you have to do one of these. Copy trade from master traders, or you employ a trader to trade for you. Brokers like OctaFX and HotForex allow you to copy trade from any master trader of your choice. But you must be careful and take note of their account size before you copy their trade. A small account copying a big account will only run into loss. This is all guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so you can get to see more of my videos whenever I drop them. Thank you for seeing this video.